Today we're visiting McDonald Park, a peaceful waterfront park located in Abbotsford, British Columbia. Surrounded by beautiful mountain views, wildlife, and one of Canada's designated dark sky preserves. This hidden gem offers a relaxing escape from the busy pace of everyday life. Join me as we take a walk through the park and discover what makes this quiet location so special. As we arrive at McDonald Park, one of the first things you may notice is the evidence of the Fraser Valley's ongoing battle with flooding. Sandbags can be seen near the entrance, serving as a reminder of the region's history with high water levels and flooding protection efforts. Despite these challenges, the park remains a welcoming destination for visitors throughout the year. McDonald Park is a popular spot for families, walkers, and nature lovers. The park offers picnic areas, walking paths, open green spaces, and beautiful waterfront views. Whether you're looking for a peaceful place to enjoy lunch or simply want to spend some time outdoors, the park provides plenty of opportunities to slow down and enjoy the scenery. As you stroll through the park, these are the views and amenities you can expect to see. The calm water creates a peaceful backdrop for visitors. Depending on conditions and water levels, the shoreline offers ever-changing views throughout the seasons. Looking across the water, the mountains provide a stunning natural backdrop. On clear days, the scenery is especially beautiful, making this one of the most picturesque spots in the park. The mountains are so close, you almost feel like you could reach out and touch them. Wildlife is never far away here. During my visit, I spotted several rabbits and could hear birds calling from the trees above. Parks like this provide important habitat for many local species.
Holy cow, what is that sound? Is that the birds? See, there's their nests way up there.
The large birds soaring overhead and nesting above are the great blue heron, the largest wading bird in North America, known for its tall frame and blue-gray plumage and stealthy hunting style. Their wingspan is impressive and graceful as they fly.
Oh my God. So big. There's a nest there. You probably can't see it now. Oh. There's one. Oh, this must one flying.
For families visiting with children, The playground offers a place to play while parents relax and enjoy the surrounding scenery. As I mentioned earlier,
More picnic areas.
there are several picnic tables throughout the park. There is also a covered picnic area with a water tap as well. And there is a bathroom or washroom or toilet, depending on whatever term you use, which is definitely handy if you've driven some distance to get here. One of the most unique features of McDonald Park is its connection to a designated dark sky preserve, recognized by the Royal Astronomical Society of Canada. Dark sky preserves are protected areas where efforts are made to reduce light pollution and preserve our view of the night sky. The mountain acts like a huge amphitheater, blocking off direct light from Abbotsford to the west, Chilliwack to the east, and Mission to the north. These locations help protect wildlife, support astronomical observation, and allow visitors to experience the beauty of the stars, much as people would have seen generations ago. Although the preserve itself isn't focused on today's walk, it's a fascinating feature that makes this park stand out from many others in the region. McDonald Park may not be the largest park in British Columbia, but it offers something many people are searching for: a place to slow down, enjoy nature, and appreciate the beauty that exists close to home. Thank you for joining me on this walk through McDonald Park. If you enjoyed this visit, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me for more travel and exploration videos. Thank you for watching.